it going, guys? Dan here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a problem that's becoming quite common on Windows 10, and that's basically start menu not working, the notifications are not working, the Cortana is not working, yeah, I've had to the truth is I've had to reset my Windows 10 twice. Now you're probably thinking, well, resetting your computer to Windows 10 twice, why didn't you just go back to Windows 8? Well, you asked me that question, but I was kind of annoyed because most people were getting along well with it, but I wasn't, and so a few other people wasn't. So I've got three methods here. If none of them work, well, you know, think about it. I'm trying to help you. So if none of them work, don't hate me in the comments. But it is what it is. I mean, you could try and get hold of Microsoft, but I don't know how far you'll get with that. So method one is to basically make any type of folder on your desktop. Doesn't matter what it's called, I just named it because I suppose I could for the purpose of the video. And you simply go into the folder, click File up here, where it says Open Windows PowerShell. You want to click Open Windows PowerShell as administrator, and then you want to paste this command in. That it's going to be in the description. I didn't type this out. All of these methods I found on the internet. Excuse me. Yeah, so you simply press enter. Now I've heard that some people had to type this command in about twice before the start menu started to work again. Yeah. So if it doesn't work the first time, try it again, and if it doesn't work, maybe try it again, and then if it doesn't work, let's move on to the next method. So the next method is to basically do the same. Get a folder, open it up, go to File, open Command Prompt. Sorry if I'm going a bit too fast for you guys. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Instead, this time, not PowerShell. And then this time you want to simply type in sfc /scan now. Now, this is quite unprofessional of me, which I apologise for, but I've typed this out and I kind of rushed it, so I don't know if it's /scan now. This is scan space now or scan, you know, no space now. The reason I don't want to test it is because I don't want to mess up my start menu, because mine's working, you know, so I don't want to mess with anything because I've only just got it working again. And yeah, so that's the second method. It will go through a process, and then when it's done, see again. If it doesn't work, next method. So the next method is basically like I think I might have said this at the beginning of the video. It's a last resort. So simply hold the Windows key, press R, and then type in Control. So just, yeah, it says Control, enter. Your control panel will be sprung up, and you want to go to System and Security, and then you want to go down to System, and you want to click Security and Maintenance, and then you want to click Recovery. Now it says here, if you're having problems with your PC, go to settings and try restarting it. So yeah, you just click that, and you reset this PC and get started. So this is the only method that worked for me, unfortunately. Now, well, actually, no, I kind of take that back, because I didn't know there's method 2. I didn't know the SFC scan before I reset. So for all that I know, that SFC /scan now could have worked. So yeah, I had to reset the whole PC. And right now I'm not having any problem with it. And people are saying the root of this problem is where try and avoid, until they push out some more updates to fix this problem, try to avoid restarting your computer. Not like rebooting it, like no, sorry, not like, you know, resetting it from factory settings, because obviously that might work. I meant like try not to restart it. Try not to put it into sleeper mode. Just try not to yeah, put a screensaver on if you're that concerned, but you really do not want to, until they push out some more updates, you do not want to restart or shut down. Now some people don't have this problem at all, but obviously that doesn't include you guys, because you won't be watching the video, so good for them. I mean, I've only just got my start menu working again. I have restarted my computer about 3 times and it's looking pretty good, no faults. Now what I do recommend doing, I don't know if you guys have got this program. Now this is a program called Advanced System Care, and if you install this with, or you get malware bytes from the toolbox, This may be irrelevant to you guys, so if you haven't got this program, just back out the video, and thanks for watching. Yeah, if you have got this program, there's something called Malwarebytes that comes in the toolbox, IOBit Malwarebytes. Now I'm going to open it up a second here. Now, as you can see at the bottom right, it says my Malwarebytes is, it's got like an exclamation mark there. Now, the reason it is because in Action Center, it wants me to get the start menu for Windows. It says that get back your familiar Windows start menu, recommended installed start menu 8. Now this is for Windows 8, so if you install it for Windows 10, it'll work, but you won't get this menu. And what I found is, last time I installed this, it installed it automatically because I forgot to deselect the I forgot to deselect Windows Start 8 on the actual installation of Malwarebytes, so it came with it. And then when I installed the program, I maybe 5 minutes afterwards, didn't do anything. I restarted my computer because I was also doing some basically it wanted me to restart it because I installed a bit. And yeah, and then when I came back on the computer, my start menu was different, and when I got rid of start menu 8, this didn't work at all. So I think that was my problem. And when I got rid of it, it wouldn't my start menu notification to that, it wouldn't work. So if you guys, I'm just trying to make sure you guys don't bump into the same problem. But if that was all irrelevant to you, sorry, but I'm just pointing out. But I really do hope one of them methods worked, and if you did enjoy the video, and like I said, if it did work, be sure to hit that like button, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.